Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson application of percentage. Now to find out SP and CP when profit percent and loss percent are given by using the formulae. So we'll see the formula for SP to find out SP when profit percent is given. SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. And when loss percent is given, SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. So when profit percent is there, you add. When loss percent is given, it is subtract. Now to find out CP, it's the opposite. CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent, and when loss percent is given, CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. So in both the cases, you understand when profit percent is given, when you are adding it to 100. When loss percent is given, you are subtracting from 100. And for SP, the addition subtraction, it will be in the numerator. To find out the CP, addition subtraction, it comes in the denominator. Remember like this. Is it okay? For SP, addition subtraction goes to the numerator. For CP, it will come to the denominator. When profit percent is there, you add. When loss percent is there, you subtract it from 100. Okay? That is the only difference. Okay. When SP is given, the opposite is CP, isn't it? To find out SP, CP. To find out CP, it is SP. Now, the example 5. The shopkeeper purchased a clock for rupees 300 and sells it at a gain of 20%. Find the SP of the clock. So, shopkeeper purchased. Purchased means what? The CP. So, CP of the clock is equal to rupees 300. Now, he sold it at a gain of 20%. Means what is it? Profit percent of 20%. Now, they have asked you to find out the SP. What is the formula for SP? This one, isn't it? SP is equal to CP is given into, to find out SP, addition subtraction will go to the numerator. So 100 plus, because it is profit percent, upon 100. Now put the values. 300 into 100 plus 20 upon 100. That is 300 into 120 upon 100. 20 cut. 3 12s are 12 3s are 36 and 0. Answer: SP of the clock is rupees 360. Very easy, isn't it? So you have to remember the formula, that's all. Then put the values and calculate. So that was example 5. Now coming to the example 6. By selling an article for rupees 475, Rahul lost 5% and find the CP of the article. By selling an article, selling means what? SP of the article is equal to rupees 475. He lost means loss is equal to 5%. They have asked you to find out CP. So put the formula. CP is equal to, CP का opposite SP दिया है, into, and CP, the addition subtraction in the denominator. So 100 in the numerator. Now it is loss percent. So 100 minus loss percent. Hope you are finding it easy to remember the formula, isn't it? Now SP, how much is given? 475 into 100 upon 100 minus 5. So it is 475 into 100 upon 100 minus 5 is 95. 5 के टेबल में 5 ones are 4 remains, 5 nines are, now 5 nines are 45, 2 remains, 5 fives are 25. Now 19 ones are 19 fives are, okay, 19 का टेबल में 19 fives are 95. So it is rupees 500. Answer, CP of the article is rupees 500. Is it okay? So loss percent is given and SP is given. Find out the CP. So that was example number 6. Now coming to the example 7. A man sold 2 bed sheets at rupees 600 each. On one he gains 20% and on the other he loses 25%. How much does he gain or lose in the whole transaction? Meaning there are 2 bed sheets, each is costing 600 and on one bed sheet he will gain, profit percent is 20% and on the other loss percent is 25%. You have to find out the total gain or loss, whether it is a profit or loss. So 2 bed sheets है, so first bed sheet और second bed sheet, एक एक का CP, sold, isn't it? Sold 2 bed sheets, मतलब SP of the first bed sheet is rupees 600. The second bed sheet का भी SP is rupees 600. लेकिन first bed sheet के ऊपर profit percent is 20% और second bed sheet के ऊपर loss percent is 25%. Now you have to find out whether it is a profit or loss. तो प्रॉफिट या लॉस ओवरऑल दोनों बेडशीट्स के ऊपर उसको लॉस हुआ या प्रॉफिट हुआ. एसपी दिया है, प्रॉफिट लॉस देखने के लिए क्या चाहिए हमें? सीपी. सो फाइंड आउट सीपी इन बोथ द केसेस. सीपी फॉर्मूला क्या है? एसपी इंटू सीपी. फाइंड आउट करने के वक्त एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन डिनोमिनेटर में आता है. सो न्यूमरेटर में 100 और डिनोमिनेटर में प्रॉफिट परसेंट, इसके लिए 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट. और इधर CP is equal to SP is given 100 in the numerator, loss percent, that is why 100 minus loss percent. दोनों का फॉर्मूला लिखे रखो. अभी वैल्यूज डालो. SP is 600 into 100 upon 100 plus 20. Now 600 into 100 upon 120. 100 plus 20, 120. 0 0 कट, 12 1s 12 5s 60। सो आपको CP कितना मिला अभी? ₹500। फर्स्ट बेडशीट को CP कितना है? ₹500। लेकिन सेकेंड बेडशीट का CP कितना आएगा देखेंगे। SP 600 और इधर 100 upon 100 minus 25, that is 600 into 100 upon 75। आपको मालूम है 25 3s 75, 25 4s। अभी 3 1s 3 2s 6 और 2 zeros, that means CP now you got how much? 4 2s 8 and so second बेडशीट का CP कितना मिला? 800। अभी ओवरऑल ट्रांसैक्शन मतलब दोनों बेडशीट के ऊपर उसको प्रॉफिट हुआ या लॉस, इसके लिए क्या करने का है? टोटल SP ऑफ 2 बेडशीट्स कितना आएगा? 600 प्लस 600 1200 है ना। 6 + 6 12। अभी टोटल CP ऑफ 2 बेडशीट्स, फर्स्ट बेडशीट का CP है 500 और सेकेंड का 800। तो टोटल कितना आया? 8 + 5 is 13, that is 1300। अभी कौन सा बड़ा आया? CP is greater than SP, so then it is a loss, is equal to CP minus SP। So CP is 1300 और SP is 1200। So he got, they have asked only gain or loss, ₹100। So answer, he loses ₹100 in the whole transaction। Is it okay? Hope everyone understood. So you have to find out the CP of the first bedsheet, CP of the second bedsheet by putting the formula and the values. Then add the SP of both, add the CP of both, then find out whether CP is greater or SP is greater. Then either it is profit or loss. Hope all students understood. Thank you. Bye.